If you are looking for a beautiful yet super easy and simple design, you have come to the right place. It can also be done very quickly. I'm going to be putting 2 coats of this white to get a good base for my design. And of course I have a little hair in there. I have no idea how these hairs seem to find my gel polish every single time, without fail. So anyway, for this design, I'm going to be using 2 colors from Rosalind, a green and a yellow. I'm also going to be using a silver liquid chrome from VHCCIRT. And if you're interested in this or any of their other products off their Amazon store, I will leave a link to, in the description box to their Amazon store, and along with my code 20BarbieVC for 20% off any of their select products. And that code is good till 11/21/2003 at midnight. So anyway, make sure that you stir up this liquid chrome because it does settle some. So we're going to use this base coat of kind of a medium viscosity as a blooming gel to make a marble. Do not cure this yet, because you're going to use this to bloom your colors in your marble. So then you're just going to take your colors and with a brush, whichever brush you decide to use, you're just going to swipe your colors on randomly and however you feel that you want them, wherever you want them. And you're just going to do that until you are satisfied with how it looks. And then you're just going to set it aside and let it bloom for about 10 to 20 seconds. And you can do any kind of color combination. You can throw some glitter polishes in there. You can, as many chrome polishes, whatever your little heart desires. And then once you're happy with the way it looks, you're going to just set it down and let it sit for about 10 to 20 seconds and let it bloom until you're happy with the way it looks. Once you're happy with the way it looks, then you are going to flip your nail upside down for a couple of seconds. I would say probably 10 seconds or so, if that, and let everything kind of rush back towards the middle of the nail, and maybe wipe off the sides just a tad bit, just to make sure there's no flooding towards the side of the nail, so you retain your shape. When you do that, please don't use your bare fingers, because that will cause allergies. Use either a gloved finger or a lint-free wipe. Then give your nail a full cure of 60 seconds. Now this chrome does require a UV light, so make sure that you are aware of that if you are using this particular chrome polish. Once you have cured it, go over your design with your desired top coat, either a clear or a matte, and your design is finished. So if you have any questions or comments about this design or how to do it, please feel free to let me know and leave it in the comment box. Otherwise, please like, comment, subscribe, and let me know what you think about this design. If you would try it, if you've already tried it, if there's anything you might change, or color combinations, what have you, or just to drop in and say hi.